Guys, today we'll talk about how can you find blocked users on your Braille app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Braille app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, click here on profile down here. You just click here on profile. It's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do next, just click on blocked users here. So then here you will find all blocked users you have. I have no one, but if you have any of your blocked users, you will find them here in this list. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.